Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Venmo app. Okay, so this is pretty new for Venmo. I know for some customers it didn't work for a long time, or they didn't have the features in their app, but I seem to have them now. So we're going to go ahead, buy some Bitcoin, and get into how to buy this, sell this, see if we can transfer it, see if the wallet is legit and all of that stuff. So we want to go ahead and tap on the third tab over. This is the crypto tab. You can see you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Well, I can't give advice, but personally, I would stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we can scroll down here and see a little bit more information. You can learn more about blockchain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum there by reading more. And that's pretty much all that's on this page. Let's go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. I know that there's a 50-cent fee to buy crypto on Venmo. So let's go ahead and tap buy. We'll do $10 just because it's a high fee. If you want a lower fee, check out my other videos, maybe use Cash App or Coinbase. So we're gonna type in $10, tap review. It's gonna give us our order details here. And then we're gonna go ahead and tap buy Bitcoin. You bought $10 of BTC, celebrate with a crypto sticker. I'm just gonna tap not now. So we can look at the stats and all of this. Bitcoin current price 39,127, up about 0.5% over the past 24 hours, up about 1% over the past week. So a lot of sideways action there. Bitcoin owned 0.000254333, dollar value $9.95, total return -55 cents. So basically losing money right there on the transaction. Recent transactions, you can tap on that to see the order details. That's pretty much it. Looks like I could sell this. Let's confirm your tax information before we sell. So there's that. You can't send or receive Bitcoin here, so it's not an official wallet. So this wouldn't get my recommendation for using. You want a real wallet where you can send Bitcoin, receive Bitcoin, buy, sell, do everything that you need to do. This is just kind of Venmo owning your Bitcoin. And if they ever lock your account or change their app or sell their company or anything like that could happen, then you're basically out of luck. You don't own this Bitcoin, it's not your wallet, and it's not a position that you want to be in. Because a normal wallet, if something like that were to happen, you could just take your Bitcoin and send it to a different wallet. So yeah, after buying this first purchase, I wouldn't recommend, but hey, maybe Venmo works best for you and you want to use it here. So if you want to learn how to sell, I'll do that next video. I think I'll make a tutorial for how to sell this Bitcoin and how that works. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you're interested in stuff like this and you want to see more. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.